Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can run C or C++ code in Visual Studio step by step. So let me show you. Here you can see this is a code C++ and it's not running here. But now let me show you how you can run this. You need two things. First, MinGW, and the second, Visual Studio. Make sure you download Visual Studio latest version and make sure you download MinGW. It's a compiler for C++ code. After downloading MinGW, just click on the installer and click on continue and choose the directory where you wanted to install your MinGW. In my case, I will choose C and click on continue. That's all. And make sure you are connected to internet because it's gonna take your internet. Here you can see the downloading is completed. Now click on continue and this type of window will be opened. Now here select this G++ option. Click this, right click on it and mark this because we have to download this. It's a C++ compiler. Mark as a installation and go to installation option and apply changes, and here apply for it. And still you need internet, so make sure you are connected to internet and it's gonna download C++ compiler. Now here you can see all changes are applied successfully. Let's close this, and you can also close this window. After this, we have to set the environment. Search for this PC and right click on it, go to the properties, and here go to advanced system settings. Inside here, go to environment variables and double click on path. Double click here, and here we have to add extra path, basically a MinGW path. I already have this. I will just remove this one for you so I can show you. Click on new, okay, and click on the browse. Now you can directly browse. Click on browse and look for the file where you have installed your MinGW. In my case, I installed MinGW in C drive, so I will go to the C drive and there is a MinGW folder. Inside it there is a bin. Select the bin and click on the OK, and OK, click on once again OK and OK, and cut all these things, and now environment is settled. After this, let me just show you let me just run the code, and make sure you also add this extension which is called Code Runner. Download this extension in your Visual Studio, Code Runner, and you can also add extra extensions like C or C++ intelligence. After this, just click on this run option, and here you go. There you can see it's running now. We got the output. Let me show you once again how you do it. Let me just show you from the scratch. I'm just opening file, that same file. Here first open your file and make sure you have Code Runner. It's very important to have Code Runner, and you can go to terminal now. Click on terminal and now click on that run code option once again, or you can use the shortcut. Shortcut is Control Alt N, and there we go. We got the output once again. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you still have any other question, you can ask me in comment sections. I will help you, or you can directly contact me on social media. Thank you so much, and check out the description for the links.